Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be doing a stuffing of my home binder. You all know I love this binder so much because I'm able to just save a little at a time so that I can be prepared for home expenses and things that come up. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please stay tuned. It is the first full week of March, and I can't believe we're in a new month. This is one of my favorite months other than the fall months, but I love this time of year as we transition from winter to spring. And yeah, I've been walking a lot more. I'm excited. Okay, you all. So before I get into this video, I'm going to be announcing the hashtag BCL. And BCL, for those who are new, stands for Budgeting Community Link, and it was created by Budgeting April. And this is a way for us to bring fellow budgeters and newer channels so that we can all connect with one another, and we shout a few channels out during the week so that we can support them and also watch their videos and just show them some love. So today for BCL, we are shouting out I Desire Wealth, It's D, and Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this cash stuffing of my home binder. Okay, so if you're new to my channel as well, I do roll the dice or the die, and I have one die here, and I like to have 6 categories that I concentrate on to build up for these sinking funds. We have renovation. If I roll a 6, then renovation gets stuffed. 5 is maintenance. 4 is utilities. 3 repairs. 2 furniture, and 1 household. So let's get started. First roll, 4. And I usually do stuff $5 bills in the categories, and I make my own change, or I do like a cash exchange off camera. So you'll see a lot of 20s in these envelopes because I've already had to make change. So we got 4 again, so that's great. 4 is utilities. We're trying to get a month ahead on our utilities, or at least save for the highest amount, or save for the highest bill amount, which typically is in the summertime. We have 2. 2 is going to furniture. For furniture, I plan on getting a new dining room set, and we have 2 again. Okay. 4. Okay, so we have 4 again, and that is utilities. 1 is household, and I do plan on using this money to just spruce up things that we need to get done around the house. I've been doing a lot of organizational things and trying to just declutter, so it'll be used to purchase new containers, and might also be used for new bathroom sets and things like that. So the possibilities are endless. All right, so we have 5 in repairs, which is the first time it's been landed on. 4 is utilities again. 4 again, this is utilities day, it seems like. Okay, we are going into the summer months, so that's great. 2, furniture, not mad at that. All right. 2 again, okay, furniture. And last but not least, 5. Okay, so 5 is maintenance. So let's go ahead and count up these categories. Okay, so we have in household 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. So household got 5. And We have a goal of $350, but I do think we will probably spend this soon because I am really needing to go shopping for items around the house. So we'll probably have to dip into this before the goal, but that's okay. All right, next up is furniture. Okay, the goal for furniture is $500, and these trackers are from Dee's Digital World, which is, it's Dee, one of our BCL ladies. So furniture has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 135, so furniture got 20 today. Let's just double check that since I didn't really count what I added. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yes, wow. Furniture got 20 today, and I do not think, nope, we can't fill anything in yet. But when we get to 150, we can color in another couch. So that's awesome. Okay, next up is repairs. Repairs got 5. So repairs now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 45, 50, 150. So that means we can color in another icon. That's exciting. We'll use green. I don't think this is the same green, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, actually it is. And I am trying to get this to $1,000 because it'll basically be like an emergency fund for the home. So repairs has 150, and that's exciting. I also am doing repairs. I'm also using this envelope in repairs to stuff the low priority sinking funds. This is also included just to give it more chances to win money. And also the larger savings challenges that I stuff with prop money. Also, some of this will be going into the repair fund. So next up is utilities. Sorry for the shaky camera. Okay, so utilities, let's see, has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's how much it got today. Wow. 25, right? Let's count it up and see. I can't do math on camera. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 120. So it has 120. That's exciting. And let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Wow, we're able to fill out 2 icons today. That's amazing. Is this the color? Let's see, I don't know what the difference is. We're gonna go with this one. Let's see, yep. So we get to fill out 2 light bulbs today. That is very exciting. I think this is the most one category has ever received at a time. Wow, $25. Okay, that's great. Moving right along, we have maintenance, and maintenance will get a 5. Now, I do want to say that we did have to dip into this. So we had to take, let's see, it had $95 in it, and we had to take out 75, so it was left with 20. So now it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And the reason we had to do that was because we had to pay for some spring fertilization, pest control, and things like that. So I just went ahead and used it from here. I didn't want to, but I said, you know what? We have it, so why not? Let's use it from home maintenance because we have lots of things that we need to do in the spring. So that's what it's here for, right? So I won't color in anything else until we can build this back up. I think we were at, yeah, 75, 3 refrigerators or whatever these are. 3 icons colored in, so it'll take a while for us before we can color in another icon. But you never know, we might have another roll where we get one category filled up pretty quickly, just like utilities just did, so you never know. Okay, next or last but not least is renovation. This is for bathroom reno. And let's see, it has 100 and actually I didn't, yeah, we don't have anything to put in it today because it didn't get any love, so it's still at 100. But that is it. We are all done, and that was fun. So thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to check out #BCL for the week, and go ahead and check out their videos and support them in any way you can. I will talk to you all in my next video. Take care, be blessed, and we'll see you soon.